Step into the 2018 Kia Sorento. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 290 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and external temperature display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.